Hi there, my name is Debbie and I'm going to be guiding you through your project. The project is called the Read DIY Project for 5 points. DIY means do it yourself. You're going to be working at your own pace with guidance by me and the site. First of all, why are you doing this project? The project is part of your Bagoo grade in 2 ways. First of all, it will be part of your Hagasha grade. And second of all, you are going to be talking about it on your COBE exam, your oral Bagoo exam. So, how do we get started? Open up a Google Doc and share it with your teacher. And if you have other members of your group or a partner you're working with, make sure that all the members of the group are also shared with Write to Edit. If you don't know how to do that, there's a video right below here telling you how to do that. Okay, so let's get started. Open up a Google Doc and share it with everybody. And then you're going to go to the bottom of this page and you will see it says Next. Choose a topic. When you press on that, it'll bring you to the next step. And notice that if you look on the side of the screen, you'll see that you have a navigation bar. And the navigation bar shows you all the different parts of the project that need to be done, so you can navigate back and forth. Good luck, and I'll see you on the next page.